My name is Alberto, my name is Blackroll in the beatbox scene. Maybe you know me from battles and everything. So, in this workshop we're gonna talk about how to be more consistent, how to be more loud, and how to level up the drums, and how to level up every sound basically. And also, since we have microphones here, I think it's cool to do the same that I did in French amps. So how to hold the mic in a performance. So we're gonna see how to hold the mic, how to improve with mic technique, because I think it's really important, and is also connected with the improvement of the drums, of the sounds. And plus, at the end, or maybe in the middle if you want, you just raise your hand if you have any questions about, I don't know, combos, how I can improve this, how can blah blah blah. You just raise the hand, and I'm super happy to help you, and so we can share together some feedback points and yeah, anything. So basically, for me, why the power is super important in beatbox and how to level up. Power actually it's a point that allows you to win more battles, but for me personally, it's not a main focus if you don't do battles. So if you're a battler and you're stronger than the opponent, you can play around the power because it's a factor that has more impact now in the battle. So for example, if I am against this opponent, okay, and I have more power than the opponent, I already have something more that I can play around, no? So that's why in the battles the power gives you more impact, and usually it's not 100% like this, but usually the beatboxer with more power, who has more power, has more chance to win the battle. If you see, also a lot of video that you saw from YouTube, from Swiss Beatbox on every platform. Maybe sometimes you say, but why this beatboxer won against the other? Because live, from the video, the audio is mixed and it's super compressed, so sounds everything good. But live, if you're more powerful or you're more consistent through the minutes, the performance, it's more probably that you have more probably, yeah. How can I say? Yeah, you have probability, yes, that you can win the battle. So that's why sometimes from the YouTube you say how this guy won, but you have to be live to listen the sound, no? the quality. So today, yeah, we're gonna talk about these topics: how to level up the drums, how to be more punchy, how to build better the beatbox, and basically how I level up my drums, how I level up my sounds. I just take every sound that I do. So for example, I do the kick, the hi-hat, the snare, and every sound that I do, I always try to push as the maximum power as I can. So if the kick I can do, this is my kick now, but if I want to push, I can do, and this kick, it's like if I use the microphone, for example, I do without pushing is. If I push more, you feel that the power it's so much more full, the kick, no? I can push so much more the sounds. And basically when I train, when I do beatbox, I always try to push every sound as the max as I can without losing the cleanness of the sound, because obviously I have to push, but if my kick became, it's not anymore a kick, no? So we have to keep the sound clean, we have to keep the sound 100% as a kick, but we can push more until we reach the limit of the sound, no? So that's the key for me to be more loud. And I always train like this, and I try always to push every sound. Also that I do, when I do it, I close a lot like that. For me, you see like my face is it's modified, everything is modified, but like when I do, this is the normal one. If I push it, so the power gives a lot of more attack on the sound. So one exercise that I want to try with you.
Yep.